total. Trule mutelteal programa sulla Dios. Tabole la balwa, but most importantly c'est le level. Idang artia dans ring ou le klel et il y a que kirablul al selam titsum government. Bo mutelteal bo susra ibdul maraklay marbugul belaw. Ilum ebiraklay marmasil belaw. President Baules marugul senators, Speaker Kanay marugul delegates, Justice Ngiray Galaw marugul justice, Governor. Annual, we're here for our annual economic consultation meetings with the United States. And last year we had them in DC, and yesterday we were locked inside this room for a whole day and worked as hard as we could to get all that reporting and all that information out. But I think most importantly, we were able to at least share where we are economically, the amazing partnership that we've had and the progress that we've made in tourism, which Ambassador Sharp will share a little bit about later. Progress that we're making on, infrastructure projects. And of course, part of our responsibility every year is to explain how we're spending the money and what we're going to spend the next round of money on, because ultimately we have to be accountable not only to our people here, but to the U.S. government under the compact. And we're just grateful that you can make it out here, because I think it's also important that when we have these consultations, you also can come out and see Palau and see actually the progress that's being made. But we start off the year with a great year. Tourism has been above what we expected. Unfortunately, there is a oil crisis, and we do know that there is an impact on that, so we have to be cautious throughout the end of the year, but all the signs are positive, and we're just grateful for the partnership that we have with the United States, with Australia, with Japan, Taiwan, all our diplomatic partners here in Palau, and helping us through these challenging times, and grateful that Assistant Secretary Haig is here. Also with us, I forgot to mention, Vice President and our members of Cabinet, Minister Mutul, Special Advisor Jenkins, Minister Olgaril, and from Ministry of Agriculture and Fisheries, Lugos, Isan. So with that, I'd like to give an opportunity for Principal Secretary Haig, if he has just a few words to share. Since he's here, I ask him to join us for the press conference, and just if you have some comments to share with us while you're here in Palau, observations or anything that you'd like to say to the Palauan people.
Thank you, President Whips. Yesterday was a very busy day. We were locked in this room for several hours, and the President informed me we couldn't get out until we finished. So we made real good progress. I want to speak on behalf of Secretary Doug Burgum from the Department of Interior about the importance of the relationship between the United States and Palau and how strong it feels and is. And in fact, yesterday, just going through all the numbers, you can see significant economic progress and actually a real wonderful mastery of what we're trying to do. our overall position is we do a number of grants, and the idea is to help grow the wealth and prosperity of the islands, one of the biggest ones being tourism. We also had some discussion around, I have visited your hospital. I know we need to find a new one here in the United States is fully dedicated to assisting in making that happen. And I actually have a degree in health administration, so doing something like that is kind of warms my heart, and I look forward to doing it. And also we talked about a number of schools and road work we can do. I think the relationship will just continue to grow. I'm going to dedicate myself to improving tourism. I'm planning a trip here with my wife in September. So I'm going to do my part and visit this beautiful part of the world yet again. So strong relationship, good economic story, and a friendship between our countries.
Thank you. Thank you, Principal Secretary, for those kind remarks. And really, we thank you for your taking time to come and visit, and taking time again to come and visit us for the Pacific Island Forum. That is a big event that we are hosting and for the Pacific. And I think, one of the things that also we want to share is the strength of our partnership with our Pacific brothers and sisters, and how we can work together to bring prosperity to all and maintain that free and open Indo-Pacific that we all enjoy. And of course, a world that we live in that has a rules-based order. So, Chief of Staff.
Di suadal mo o yu tayo di lunggel niya Principal Deputy Assistant Secretary al mga daabu olom teerengel Secretary da Interior al Dagburga Mangklel hindi luay sa luaseng talsin Sir Eli al lulumiting labanggela President al mga tmokler sel niya girel bekkarak al daabu ora talong lel Palau mamrigel al girel tial tokora kampakta manlongila al daabu umlo o ay sa luasea taluwil ra talong lela Palau mamrigel amalamol malmasisi malungi larang ule sel meeting reli umlo ol talwasi ay gel niya torul al tokora ekanami al niya mrigel tokora kaysain mrigel ol nga sergi daringi maoratela am tergid malungi lan maral mong selabong yung direkal mo ay saklam irar adar Palau wal murar adar mrigel multol may raong etiulbuy lan mirapif yalme engi mabail amen memili le direkal kuksor iya balur Palau o ay salwaseng maltarak labo ko lalbalawul blal laborngi direkal no o ay salwaseng malmol maselurior el kite la o arula es el hospital kada madenge lwaseng ngaringi sel team rahawai loader lobungge del kite la feasibility study o ngewi del buila etame mo all alter sel ngi ako reporter tir sabi ela la o ngayay ngetil buila nga mo final set reporter sel AHL kita mo ngek pungaraykel ko next step al gide la ako arula es el hospital
dire kamlo otisel wal klol lurungulen bluram brigel mo sugidel magabarur ti al es el hospital dire kamlo ay sroseng nga dire gal tarabablinga school ngilo masteringira tora orotela hospital mang mas nedra al selarun atara ngaring garuba ke ngartial mamruria amame ser piscor en garuba ka ser al hotel al gigre la dem le piscor morablura toko mailal litasils en mo dingra piscor em lisiaran rire igidam dingra sea maamul programa etriel al piscor amoro regal school lo bangela special advisory kidra Jenkins el milicia toro muy buena escuela me se el toro muy se aklisi ela omsu dagal se amal lungil msu ala kom do muy mang sulang special advisor Jenkins Dr. Jenkins for getting that program in partnership with the Peace Corps and bringing having those Peace Corps volunteers here to really strengthen reading in the classroom that will hopefully we know that's the key to the success of our children. ay aktirakal dim na so kalsel was sel meeting rigid really adim na kaldil el president gid amle invite rogol other all be in May amno si email tera house amna ya chairman of ways and means el chairman alolo ma direct chairman of education el delegate ngir oy May direct uknom tera senate amle se el chairman inabo senator inamo chairman RCTD Egida unam close to three legal meeting at the level el mogao de egel niam close to three urior ligid urior lomgela blue ram rigel girel diregal no sugid mo understand egel kakarus el grant tirgid amlara blue ram rigel magid egel on tid el mura blue ram rigel mang akpana asulit tiadro al bim no si ilmay matamesa egel report offering نسيلوك سماد المورا ترجع خالق سرتير مو بلا تقلا إذا عم ضيل واسي قد ما لو نيتر هذا البير غلولا واسي نري يجل بتقول ضود البلورا مريجلا أو إذا تمنا تقول المريض المرولا وريور المرولا ريبير على الريبير هوسبيتال ريبير سكول دين والقرا كلوي لين لا أقول ya taral diling karuba kareli amala omnom kataktil wase magimla kongi emro komnu tel modir ga approve but anyway pero ka toka diga in seugit maradra senet el sigara el bolse el motaw taw ay galurio de tidere lo ay sirgit wase ablur FSM tidim le ay dar ador olbir til momre galu raga kan pakter til momle de la erul dar til million el mot clara el masku mangara ablur edimil oit التكبرت يا شيخ ما ده سيرة توتايجا بيجي ده قرار مور ترسيجي ده لوس يسيو مك تيجي يوني ترى أمير تيلي ده ما قالوا لي ما هذا أولبيل يجي ده مبين نو بتقول ده أولبيل تامي تيجي نم ترى ده سينات تندين العمل مسام مو ده قصيد القصوص دي كده أولبيل تجسدرو تلعب دو make sure كده أمير قاضي لكن ده دي إما مختار جد هذا أمريكا لو ما سيرجيد لو ما سيرجيد هذا بيلاو مو يلاقلان رجيد umra la sendera question asa school marael ma dengi ma aral ma aigadi to tril mergida radar velo kadere kamle update tir sel doer gira pension ma SS tara when I just updating them on the pension tara requirement gira del pasar sel la madmena sura radar bim le join sel conference mainly chairman Nakamura ma dire gal gagidele Basilius from the Senate, Madrigal Chairman Lulgoma, Niro from the House, and Lego Chair Gamitil, Lomesra pension. Magidregamle Uluotil Mora Angal Rubak, Selwase Al Sugum Mosedel or Taute the La, Miguel change La, for example, Ngiredel Oriol Mogol May Margit, Ngiredel Telgib Moklo the Harani, Melang, with the Basent Girelmo 8%. هذا سموك لا يجيد البنشون يجيد على الملمول المسيسي وأساس يجيد مقطوط مكلي ترى شيء يجيد كمسيل كيف بيجي ودو ده يقبلون مولوت المرغم مرة أمريكا من سيغورا ده دراين بالبسكيد من كذا دوني ترادر أولبيل واسه علي من لقى ده دوبر سيلينج سيدري ما يدري دلاني الشوم ده كذا يان سيل 26 مليون يجيد الريتورنينج مرة أمريكا by December just and just once again thank you Secretary Haig for visiting us the partnership that we have with the United States and we wish you safe travels back home and we look forward to seeing you again here for PIF and also you're going to be I know presenting for the Judicial Conference.
Yes.
So you're doing multiple things but we're just grateful for the partnership and for helping the Pacific. So
Thank you. Same.
yeah, and if I may, I just want to give the opportunity to Ambassador Sharp to share a little bit about the success of Qantas flights to Palau. Well, actually, it's the Palau Paradise Express that is really a program by the Department of Foreign Affairs of Australia supporting Pacific connectivity. And if you can just update us with that economic report that you just received about the impact of tourism
Thank you, Mr. President, and Ali, Tutau, everyone. Australia is proud to continue to support Palau's economic growth through aviation, connectivity, and tourism development. We've seen continued strong growth on the weekly Palau Paradise Express service. We're really pleased to see record high passenger numbers again in April this year. The flight, as the President said, is supported by the Australian Government under the Australian Pacific Partnerships for Aviation program and currently operates as a weekly non-stop service between Brisbane and Koror. The Australian Government provides foundational backing for the route, and the performance of the flight to date has been bolstered by strong support from the Government of Palau. Make special mention of the Minister, the President, and the Palau Visitors Authority for their support in seeing it a success. We've completed tailored marketing campaigns that have been supported by both the Australian and Palauan sides to ensure that the flight has continued to grow. Now, as part of our efforts to understand the impact of the PPE, we recently commissioned an economic study to study the impact of the service here in Palau. The study found that for 2025, the flight accelerated Palau's post-pandemic recovery by boosting high-value visitor arrivals. Often these are Australians who stay longer, spend more, and directly support local businesses and communities. The service carried over 3,600 passengers across 2025. This more than doubled the passenger traffic to Palau from Australia and Oceania more broadly. The flight service also delivered 21% of the total growth in visitor nights that Palau experienced in 2025 and 26% of the total growth in visitor expenditure for Palau in 2025. Our analysis shows that this has contributed at least $7.3 million in return to the Palauan economy and provided nearly $1.8 million in additional revenue for the national government in 2025 as a result of this service and investment. The data shows the significant impact that the PPE is delivering for the people and government of Palau, and it's also a demonstration of our ongoing support to the Palau's tourism sector and economic diversification efforts. And for that, again, I just want to say thanks again to Palau, all of the partners that have been important in that partnership and ensuring the service's success. It's a really positive story that we can tell about supporting regional connectivity and as well as supporting Palau's economic growth. And it's a continuing core partnership, core element of our bilateral partnership. So I might just leave it there. We've got some hard copies of the statistics that we can share with you.
All right, thank you. Misula ang wakar selgere di kodo bungisel ora sodel blal solinga l'ambassador ang isla setial el skogir gidel ulmu radron la Australia ma belau atian nombre garra awal ngila sara medel dakter basenta le del telal ma elon mal daktel la dam larin mara blur Australia el mel dingra blur belau tirganga mel dingra blur belau klolo oi tri mangal ker belau من دي سيجد الأول تريجد المغسال المغساي دي سيركلو لهم يطير أولا والي أنيلاس أغرور هوتيل رالو الباسنت ما ديريغل سيسب الله ضد المر أمسان رجيد رالو الباسنت لورتورا تورا توريست رشال دي إيمول السكوجي من تبدأ يقولوا سن مدل يود المليون مدريال أميل أوتر سلا جيجر أبلور بلا تال مليون مدل رول مليون واسه لما سويس المر امسغللا ابلور بلا لوغي وتيل دي مورس كوجن استراليا مقدمال وتيل تيل امرنا سولا ابلور استراليا را سير لونس ترير ماول دسوير لونga sera geyser ابلور بلا. So I just want to take this opportunity, Ambassador, and thank you for Australia's commitment to connecting the Pacific, to providing a new market and a new opportunity for tourism, really diversifying our tourism base and helping build a strong and resilient economy. So thank you, and I do want to give a break for the two of you to be excused. You don't have to be here for the next 2 hours. Oh, well, if we can take a picture before you go.
It's okay, that'd be great.
We'll just sit, it's fine. If you have any questions to them before they go.
I'm Australia. Just wondering what the future looks like for Qantas in Palau, if you're planning on continuing, expanding, or what that looks like.
Look, of course, this data shows that the service is performing really strongly. We're very pleased with the flight's recent performance. It demonstrates it's making really strong inroads to being a commercially viable route on its own 2 feet. There's clearly strong demand for the service, but at the moment, the consideration for additional services is one for the carrier, for Qantas, to make the ultimate decision about.
Okay.
Yes. Okay, thank you.
I did have one question for Secretary. I was looking through your bio, and you have some experience in the telecom industry. So I was just wondering if you had a chance to take a look at Palau's telecom, and if you have any insights as to how we can improve our telecom in Palau.
Yeah, I spent some 30 years in telecom, and I know how much telecom can boost an economy, probably more than almost any other part except mass computing, maybe artificial intelligence, something like that. And certainly in an island economy, having high broadband connectivity by fiber and by satellite and mobility on the island can ramp up productivity 3 and 4 times. So I've looked at a number of things, including raising some money to help get some of the connectivity into the island, looking at what we can do to help with the fiber around it. And I'm in pretty deep talks with the president and your various telecom companies here. So it's vastly important. And I think what's been done to date has set a real foundation. You know, after that, then you can find the businesses to layer on top of it.
Sorry, because I know I have to go, Secretary Hick. Just on the question of connectivity, and I know President Whips has had enhancing economic security as a priority, which we'll be talking about tomorrow. Is there a timeline for the rip and replace for the Huawei components of the telecom infrastructure?
That's a good question. Well, PNCC has put out the bids. They're actually have already started that process. My understanding is by the end of this year, the rip and replace on the Huawei stuff should be done. Nawaklak lang. Kung daw sa mga logel Starlink, hindi lang mo geri. Hindi lang sa light mga sa logel sel karim. Yeah. Di ang mulger o sure question na sa ngam ko ngam de kam munda sa light mo. Halagi magto kapil sam may so abel dire kala update dito sa tia. Instead of say LL week agora it's been a partnership week. Mrigel Australia elang aktrium nel nga ablo siapan. Kita mesem no ya tel nombre kal Sunday el mitra well attend the Island Sustainability Ocean Summit. Ese blela seguida Nippon Foundation chairman Sasakawa lo hace mem da dagal hostri. Sel summit amil sabra togol domodena sing sustainable ocean planning and management. Lo hace adosper tial de bedo kada mangreo mari ospering de kada temelit tial lugel aklangar ni de mal mol ospering. Yo sa de lo hace di waha atre dara ira alme di urtu ira a unilom su a unil cloud ngi egi damrula agil dorul no sigue ser otro il girera mang sel meeting a malaria غداي بايمل بلول attend كمية del dart الادم لا attend نتي ترى مال ورا عمله توغبت الميتينج الميتينج البرايم مينستر شعبان مع امبرور ناروهيتو عمله attend را in meeting Ruera la mula meeting el day before me la tele de momento prime minister ma وانا عملي انتي del morina se nutel meldinger belau nge miligonangal wase president oye nse kal mutri on dinga kalamo edel tamil gi gora blur belau mga ruera al bol politician ngamla mabtokol belol dinga blur belal tourist magmalungin bengle abelwa en ino trigal terul a prime minister ma emperor trigal idul sorry atora dao it was that's why temle attender tel al conference of course a chairman sa sakawa ngea ul lingiter til mem ta join lega mo ngela igal mgegare liun sel ngia makrodabel اللي قد مصادرة أموريهم مقليلة ما أول سبيل هذا بيت من قال ماس مقال رباغا عملي سئيل الكنترول قد نمو دو اتير عملي دو أقلي أول رينس من يدور عمري اتيرا ولا تيلي رمانك سيقلو أول دو سويد الجيريلا أموت مقليلة هذا بيت قال رباغا امبرور عملي نمو دو Lenga actually a background niya tora aral anything to do with water. Bimla Skura, he went to school in England to study water. So Maran wilte al المريجيد but again لما كلو ترل الميلسادر سيا أو really مليسي إرسل كده أم قد تل الملغوري at the high level panel cell الكيد مبلورا نوروي هيلبر بلولا هذا الواسي نجيد المغريوم يجيد المانيج سو نجيد بالانس قال تبلو يجيد المدول المغريوم المدول وسبي قال النيا على السيل هذا بيت الجيرلا قد مقتل اخلا هذا ما ريل التايم ما غير ما تذكر بشيء غير الناس مدير واسي قال ضابا سيلون يرول موتليلن nara dawabal me len tia o yerul produce oxygen o gimel basen tangara dawabal me adam dayo lo se cloud to trade sabaklela قال ومغال ضرب له من يريد المسابقة خنية مقري تيال كونفرنس أمرنا تيل درو كويس يجيل نيا جد أمرورا أدر بيلاو ترى كل activity ضروري سل marine spatial planning process سدول مورينا ترى رغم لا ميمون قدوا لابد مريغري إلى السيلسن World Ocean Day مقدم مولون تشسل sustain World Ocean Week مقدم launch تشسل sustainable ocean planner جد دي مرات كلو تريلا أدو مطمق لا اللغة تلو لغة لقنا رجيب los pea a unir lomsu magulus pera example ra kida other belam kida angara molme kida omul gada omul len gada mukla mamlum tergak lam tamal sel almol lam namodega ngin ngari diu era drut mo longong sel bul gada makarang Triel mal semmo or omnge da mo se de tiab lagi mdangim na mo wil na mo se de mutel mo e se amle tele da ira al me mo ulan se edel al malmol mal wa dangara enjoy gal gida ngari gida other belo misel do mesr tiagi del lu kida mlaru le kida qotte kadam lara إلى المودرن تايمز يقدم لا ناري أنغرو كويد يقدم مولا أيها وانغرو مقاو لما أيها الغاغروسل النيا الشانل السل أبلور بلاو مرقو قدم لا سه ناري بيبي رايل دي حلقية الملاي مالو بناري تمل دولاي مول رولي أبان النيا تطولي سي أورول مرال التامل لومول سل أيل لغدل باسنتر أيل الملذ ما أيل وكنيدرا أبلو إملاو سل لغلاق المورتيال تول دبث لغلاق رأ المول قدر يقول نو اسمه سه أيل بولا أدورو لجا دخل ده سه يجا فيكست ماشي هذا قالوا ميوزيوم دي لغة دي مول مدى ما يقال تونا نقول سلا ده قالوا دي لغة مدي دومس هوي منو بلغ تقلو أسي ملا عمرك أمسو يقدر بدنا سيقال تونا نغربلا نواخلا نغربلا أرمور تمرا كيريباس أرمور تمرا إندونيسيا ما أقول نقول بريزنت رفيسة ما مالدي مساقا قاسي بريزنت مورا سانكشواري مقاسي أجي وريل المروريل موت المويل ير موت تريلا 100% مانجمنت يسي حال موقع لك مرور تري كماما مالو إلى رمام ريلا لكن يدي منغار كماما مريت ما بس عندي حال تتغير سوى كده يرد مغر مريت متمغل مغر يوم الله سيا قلت مكلي أويل لو لك لنا رجيب الجيرلا هذا رجال بالواد الروقي من you know ella me cloud to tell سواد لا ديري قلت من cloud to tell سواد راسل تقول sea level rise إذا ما سيسير أوران مربع بايعان أنا رجال بلو مديبوس أقول ديبوس سيل كرين سيل أبلو موجرين مكلوم مكران كده عمره راسين ده سيل كرين سيل البلا البول ديبوسا هيلن ايلاند سيدري قبلواد ngare ngun ala ndiri kabluad ndekal giral Indonesia ngun mutel karen sen ngun me ek medra ngai aura ndi you know ay gida am close to trail sawadale am close to trail gida mage mungul sel daseng international rules based order ila la kada mungul sel gida mage moriom ril lula blulat insel ablul wa tubalul di wa blul ngal abol di buse etena mo dekal bulu ay gida adiri kan neswadal ndi sel diri kan swadal mo ay sini sel summit sel Nippon Foundation amle announce mulu ay siri dro se tamo investor about 10 million ra el mara mel tru iraq el tira one capacity building tomo se el help el capacity building ra human resources ra tial agar rogun magigare liuns ragirela amut maklela tabeth o si sul time tamorula ocean hub ra blura shaban el lebori agar rogul gida ma منايل والداسو ما يجيل بلا لومسوبا ضدق تغم السيد الموت المال مويل سيلر تروقلا أمت مكليل ما ماول سبيل ما ريوم رجال التيال دبيب إذا سبيل يجيل مال لوني لومسوبو ما إذا المال من دي مسوبو إلين أجي يجيل أجاست مال دي واتيال شو ترتلد الأمول الأمول مسوبو أو ماشي أجاست السيلو عمره الواسع قتل النرويج قد ما سلوي الجريرة أي أقول تعرف أو يروح عني كله okay so martiya tel timir gidra ocean tel Palau sustainable ocean policy tia umra lo tel tan gidra lus tia ol tira persel lo multoira semol hagase rom subela dao paise maraf يقدموا ما ولا تغير الداسو يوترديا أوينهم سوب الجيرلا أو سب أكلين مول سبيل تيال الدبث الغرب كل غبو والمرا سل الكريل سل تيال رجلا دبل بيا بلور بيلا من سؤال تيال تيال مرينا سوري ترينا بارتنرز كده رمسير تيال process maluna nudo el mestre adra TNC ngartiang agayobel ma Jason adra PCS oh sorry that's right Conservation International Jason ma agayobel el adra TNC ma direga lolita lo no sé from PCS triategel lo no sé orgidra el lungil lomsu ma awil science ما ديري لوريون تري أضربلو دي ديري مال مرينا سوللا أبلورا نيوزيلاند ديري لوك تيرا منوسيرو تبغى داود ديري لو نسير جيد ارتيال نموت مكلل تيال البلانر جيد جيدا ديري نمرة لنقال سكرتاري را جيدا أمريكا لندينغا عمله أبلور عمله عمله provide the initial funding and help regal Pacific regal toward marine spatial planning and through that was 1.7 million and yilum sabela regal toward marine spatial planning whether مرنا سولا partners gid al deal deal NGOs ma government regal bulu lol no se orgidra umat tel tianglet at the end of the day tere galo moral wase tianga tara ula garul maklisiela tokora asabaklel ageizara blur belong esel do mesa tokora garul ngir do mesa tourist lo mesa omnged tiya girat anul toy matara da dille ase a pikwi galang mre kom subel etana subil wase even though I'm close till 80% del PNMS ay di sila ngi gra almol la dimran mom kasay nga se dro se namo de ka tuna ratana de tanga tana namo de ka tuna ra icepax ngadukti mga ngi gra almol namo de ka omgro la al de omgro la ala they made money ragel finger lens el walo lul traum siguro am le side business at tamrula aawla aldo nga may ngi dro mes tel arangala tialul spera da bed kasi ngaray gel siya del sumokla el bay luto spisi gida mga siya druten mora era angwale botto tunal mekmerdra blu en atigi bun wara la tunal merio ma restaurant da ser mom ala bira tuna e mo de calzalo tuira ra yagidle araat el ngara era al mol e gida mga siya one of the premier dive sites at Blue Belau sel blilaga gamaduk da mesel al time ay gamaduk la daral mo to maran mo kasi makti la na amla mo krilo ase ang area patogole sel dogen to asen white snapper ng restaurant de ga sel white snapper oy kamdar mo se vice president yun mo help to sa gala ako mesen tela gamaduk le tiro mo asen tela amurang malang mo ng anak clear anyway, kita ko rata kayo lo ko ka. Masaya. Gaman maklon mo rin hindi ka pasamo lo siya maklongin. But so you know, ay kita amrura imora to ko sa del tomela imong maulang cloud to tirala alungil omsu mada terbangi sa gid el uk te al el uk soy basangid ra imora ato ko. Mang kadira malungit ra otro olbil of course Allah angana madri الاساس الانهانس را بي ان ام اس ريد المرال رودلي من مرال بروفايدر فود سيكيورتي بروفايدر اونيل تورا توريزم را سرا بلور بيلاو اس ادر مال مولوس بيريل دا قبل بغنين من اقبلي واسين غرام دلا سينت مت سوبري كده اوف كورس مال ديونيتا ميتين را بكر تايم لو سي ابول سويدا ده ميت ده سمكلي مال دي وابا تشتري كده بايس Podría ser, mal somos meter tiene un bolo de ese, mal toca el hospital, bien me toca de la hora, ¿no? Mal diría mal toca el spell a piano o sim, Palau Games, bien me toca de la hora, no me toca hacer nada de auto, anyway, igual a tribu Chloe, me toca litro hace, el tribu el museo, el María del Moral. Andi umra va setial para seguir a dirigir el helper el maintainer el look commitment ترجيد المرسل ده saying Blue Pacific Continent Strategy 2050 and it's in line with the Unlocking Blue Pacific Prosperity Plan that we've launched. So tial plan amal magtaklil wase kada narayal gila magal matmakla لو ترى partner سرجيد مقدمين عسولية مجدر على التوتال النارتيال press conference يجدا Amoria level el signer tiang. So wherever sign moria boy. Why say? No. Etial boy da kalmal marina asulela polo el bilo Gloria Sali ni amle se dosen compose en dilbi tial el boy da el niya amaklat kargid ersel el CC del wheel de guid al other belau matial lugelak pangar guid osperi tial li tetradaw asel agot klol gida seden el moon ministerial kan geth engar level matmokhr gid miskida ngir rail dogiwi el gire lalang maklugol lo siga ra awil kerul o prosperity mo rabekla. Okay. Abi wile skemate ale mo Tiga ngaramayo? Oh,
Junior.
hindi ka rin namayo.
Presidenta Tial Boyda, Wagel Bladu Presidente, Tia Lela Kuala Bilung Gloria Sali, at Adil BE performer Yirsel opening ceremony Ravela al Hostra Our Ocean Conference sa 2022.
Adabel mar'at mawil gardu. Ae luwa tama maru marpa. Ae le mawil adabel al ay te gardu ne gardu. Ae le utama se ala
Oh, yun. Likutir tiyanak ma. Mura nga sulo ramran mi klabo ko le Will Boy de ramran mi sisira tiyana nga lito klip otora ani mura klabo ko ramran sulang. Iyo. Okay. Sulang. Edik nga lukos di wai sirgi do sa minister ngira Victor mrode atse ngartian ngara sel ondi bra PNA el al time sel PNA do sen Palau Nauru parties to the Nauru agreement. Ese do ngali lo hace even though dia ngara era blur belau yel mokol dia el merer satuna ngara bebe ablun di do da mergit madman mere ngasuret tigal se ali del ngartel tahil gongi ergid lo hace bere dia kamara ending ngari abling liu. Oy. Ndi kadamara unfortunately muda ache ngartel launching ndi kadamara ngasulel lomte ergid ngarsel cloud to lom dibel. Lastly last el cloud to trail mark narbal cloud to trail partner yida Vice President Shao. En yamnos el mera blur belao el mler sera sarude raitasil no sé la Vice President oilo mo mesang welcome in mera blur belao uk taadadu terror sel sarude night serabol Sunday yida mo sé del lo un mora albabe un mablilio gal Vice President of course ang artian building la tara ko to klol el sel so al mruria se magara direga el milisira to gora turista mer al sel ablur belo mon aigel se da sengo milir in mora alba ba dimna ka chalo milil no tek ta baglel belo mon maral le klabo la yim nor ngamlise maral dimna kal way di sel awel mnora tere do kaya ka magi direga mara amer mawel am di dururt malle batoka awel lawesem of course kada merang al meus malle batoka adeng mangam no til to dra dabe kasi dia namu yedem mral ngari adine de gidra kap singi but agu mral asem mala mla to da batoka news ra taiwan ra uxel el club galela ablur bela hopefully mobtoka rokia galme adri gal taramle lo mesri ase ayel batoka tiro nga sir gidel la tokora amat makle la balwa del tokora wa infrastructure ngeme sar warai na ma blai ma ay gidel dengi ngan ma gero gol tira dagal al mga mokl dire gal tokora renewable energy ma dire gal lo me seguido asing ngaray gel gida mga mokl girel tel maral mel pif ma gelo kulun sutril el mergid gel lo makle say gada mal merenga sulel ukila time mera blur belau nganga diregal tia mong mengerul visit ring mera blur bela bais nga tri me ragram la memo emle bela tourist nga yedre ukmo ngase ela ukmel in my official capacity di tiamra lungil blue serak men mal sogal blue mal matia wal first trip ringira el motor de la club la Taiwan official trip and of course in el tin mera blur belong kada mera asulel lo tise tira of course tira MCC el salid ya gumara lo sel el gida tblo lo gida gida rafa la shabale se number one question e paisa se blur belong ram mulaga mal MCC adal wil tin ma blur Taiwan gumara lo se sel gida o shaq law marargi sel dungul gire la tora mitsutsung il government sel el dungura tora se todor tira kala ngari o mungul lo se ngigare el bulung klol bulung diga bulung maigel garen sela igel bulung kada ngari o mungul el gire ayye da abada ge gain se tiam mesegidel ayye da klaw marargi ayya da dakta se aklisel tial del wil gidro migela ablura Taiwan المال المرأة الممسيسي قبل مرة شيء كذا مقدر تملا سوق الشيء شيء كذا مال مرة سولر رينج سلوك خودين رينج مرة بلور بيلام نيا مرة على السلسلة إيتا سلسلة بس president تامو ومثال مرة كذا مرة سولر تيالوك نوتيبل كمان نار بيلام دي كذا مال من مكشوف سك مال من فولا تمل دي كم لو مثلا سلة 5 star hotel كذا bla babi mamal oy aquí lo morse un mensaje oy ministro Victor mandó el mensaje diregal no ya telen no me se el bes el fishing portal el gida ma moknira ablon pan lo tise lo hace it's a fishing multi purpose port mun gira de la orilla da tuna diregal help para toda tourism kayaking regel el area tara no sé ruli really كده قبلوا امريكا قبلوا تايوان قبلوا شباب قبلوا مغايسه ترى قلت كلو تترسي وقتمورا تقرا توريست اجيرل الكبوغلا قبلوا سلام تور قبلوا تبغى تاكلا سايبر الى تايم سلو بوري تلمان جيكيون ما توريست ام ساودرينا فيسبوك مجدا غير المطمغ اللي مول بلو اسي ايجل غنا متو تملان على كل رال مان اوروي دغا جيكيون دغا على كل رال قميا أرال أملال مرايل ديك الملال بارك الملاموت الملامود غطيانية you know again we have to clean up we have to look nice الشومان تريك ندخل سنغرام بلام صدرو فنس أبيض ما تصير الشومان دخل necessary ده مو بتقال فنس كده ندير المال جيكيون تيل كده مرال مر أملال تدي بياض مال سلا بلور أورور دخل نسيجان مكيت جيكيون so one of the things that رادرا تايوان عمله هيل بريد الجيران ومسكيدا يجي له غورا ميرورا ماستر بلان هيل برتل اللونج ايلاند بارك ولا سيم غرادر اللي غورا امويل بارك الموسيل هنا ترى بلور اوريور ما اتراكشن على سيل اوريور سيل مر توريستين كذا ريتير اكسبيرينس تيم مونغ ما عمله ترى دو رونيا سي بلان سايد وقت جيران رابورت عملان اولوين مورا كي بي بريدج Madrigal, how do we incorporate the bike lane? Mala sin ngara ratel dire. Ayay da gira den murul lulit tel belwad maral mo blular tourist. Legad me se ela they share statistics. A blura kwamere al time ay dice tourist ni adriga ogim el basen tra 2019. A blura saibal angara true el basen tra 2019. E abelao we achieved for 6 months 100% of 2019. So ساعة أول كلو توترل هذا المول من المرور تيال بلاد من كلبوغل عندي غادي لو على المعربة بالكلبوغل ما السلا بلو من كلبوغل ربعي يسوي المسائل نياس هذا التماغي موضوع قال شو بالا سيم كلين اب اوي ما بتوقع جانكير ضرب كلها مين رود ما يجي اللورو الجيرل سي we have to partner with the states قال زونين قال state you know قال state am clock تسيل سيل دي من ما سي كلين اب قال give final kami wari ay safety. So I think these are things that we can work on. Not only for PIF, but for every day it should be that way. So maybe chief of staff of mo siga assistance help el hire atora al molongak tagel rogon utamna na pula al modibus. And more. You know, these are things that we need to work together on. But timok mo yigi de mal mrenga sulela tigal بتوع البارتنرز كده نقول لنا تلاد المتر تير ما دور تير لاسليا الى السيل سري واكلو سوري تريدوري يوم ما اسكرا ميديال وسي بولسيل الملوت المي نالي سيل وا توغو بيتش اللونش الجيرل سيلوك بس الانيشيتيف الجدل البودودار سرين مورا يو ان سكرتاري جنرال الجيرل تورا اوك also clear ang lagay ma klangar so timok po yigid rest of won't find out that the clock matedo adil se lo got clock to trail mal lam roni telais adil yani ramasaw adri qablel dilani qablel security kadam le campaign بدنا نسول لا UN officer يد ما minister state بدنا campaign ايام نامو ادال سيل UN committee on rights of persons with disabilities نامو متياول فرصه كورا membership يد البارتري الغميتي ده سابوت على ني ما راه يورج Lula, yeah, for this for. Yeah. So actually, there's two Lomtera Pacific Tilur Telalat. You're on the 9, oh? 9 al-Gingal. Samawa Mabela al Selselala. So close to Trela, you know, the Pacific really made a big showing. Sige da, Blol Mara Gambelo, sige da, Trigela del Tira, Agotumidute Ospeangeso. And Tulang Alani for always persevering, working hard, the gira the other belau, and elag motor gira blue lap. So thank you. You make us proud. Okay. Paisa na some more. Sorry. Hapos kami
Minister nila ay kale sila book kale hotel air kale Brisbane kale Australia di sila Philippine Air siya mga numbers ng ilan hindi ko sa hindi ko makasara agal lagi do you have any update kasi mga sa ilan
So nangawak lang malungi na kadib. Actually, last the mama numbers of malungil. Se betul adal al ngara Korea o sebol meringi, betul rogul adal ngara omangnya dal mura Marshall Mapolabe sebol segit al flight. Ding akmo honest the president hindi akal salungin la al damam betir se kora o with la dango durtir. Magim ko kama malagay the numbers tir. As far as I know, malungila accident ngila occupancy tir. Di sewal bypass trigger rogul adal los pe visa ngarawa Indonesia mahudiping algiril mora Micronesia ma Marshall Islands and matokoro mangit.
kasi wala gel ya sila sit posimeng ilaw na gel pagod sa gel tourist numbers malungila ya po kami tourist present in all the summer sila mal tilka kuha number sel tourist gel from mainland China mga kaldi the summer gel that
No, gida nom den sea. Gida kera a Pacific. A taragotok med el blue gid ablur asina. E tara ko trop toy sir adring il blur al sira blulad asina. Mende adil belal betul adar asina ngari. Tial asyaban mo masaya adar asina mar adara agora masaya adar asina. Mim mataga masaya adar asina. Mahuriping. Ayer mo bangli asin dia gida dia suatu mo asel situation gida rangaramo. Il di tuira adar asina. Maulang klau tutrela adolisira Taiwan, ma Siabala, ma Korea, ma Australia. Ile ukpol makita rigid at ukstoba turiste mo mring rigid. Mang ilar time ete yalada sina angar okwal basenter turiste mera blur belo. Igit am bringa sa ilar time ndega imol do itinira sina advertise. In fact, adra sina dega sori advertise ra abela al sa blurir. Makplara alba bersama dengan mungkin vice president ngar meyaus nadal bela adra sina ngari tiga meran mekmedana tiga security vice president tol du bertin moro sorry mas chasing na bangge after share a story makma interview ti oi nga ka sa tiga ngara Shanghai tangara ay gagi dele Beijing almen alu betiga sendia kamang naka-engineer, naka-mabi, mga mga chendun may, mga shenyang may, mga kakarousel below. Kasi, hindi ko na mukul na deka, kung makara mong mga liberal, al sila, sina, deka, mukul na deka lang. Asa deka, underground, ay gati nga na social media, mga nakakama, man marali sel below lang siya ungil below. So, one of the things that we've seen, siya ba yung narulya belaw? Hindi ka sa lamas sino asing kura cheap destination di namda sura tero ka di turistel bay na mo to karmal albak adra sinan merbela mo ita maklo do mong sige ta bay giyan abay giyan kari gidan sel sumtame kadung ilo sa kartir hindi ka tamali telo gel klare siya bay hindi ka makita turist turista de muy rogoy hindi sel boda kari hindi la polos penil dong ablurir hindi kaltir ablurir malmal rin siya tututrel yes po kamu
Sula President Kadilil was a tourist. Akla kakaroon sila ada sina amnastatel trigaluk operators among the two regal kakaroon sa federation. But the digam nombre kal na join a badminton tournament el albuy let tangariyar soril mortel open water swim. O sa triathlon megal kakarusal sporting events ako kolsis para adrir alsel hindi ako mes ringin banghit tapay tirka soril di tilolsis bertir alsel legal ko activity rigid ako mes ringin dire kalungil mo na sports tourism rigid
ako raklang ang tanga tele bebe na tayo sel da sendia yung bay soril mo kaya daw kaya alala forbidden kaya exari kaya forbidden Kalau mereka sudah ada sinyal mela forbidden til mereka. Leo? Sorry, we're speaking in Palau, but you can ask anything.
No, I appreciate it. I'm interested in so tomorrow there's a big conference on enhancing economic investment here. And Palau has really been at the forefront of trying to make sure this is a secure investment environment with transparency initiatives and things coming in. So I was wondering if you could detail some of those efforts, because I think it's maybe not widely known here, even in the region, how much effort has gone into specific efforts, as mentioned by the Vice President of Taiwan as well, to ensure that this is a good place to do business.
You know, one of the things that I've been sharing with all our partners is that we want our partners, especially the ones that have invested the most in us and have helping build infrastructure, schools, and the like. That's the United States, Japan, Australia, and Taiwan, to come and invest in the private sector, because we want legitimate, clean investment. And what we've seen over the past, unfortunately, is we've seen organized crime come in. We've seen them set up those online scamming centers and make investments in Palau. And we don't condone those behaviors. And so one of the things that's happened over the past few years, first with the establishment of the National Security Coordinator, is to partner with our allies, the United States, Australia, Japan, in gathering intelligence, gathering information, trying to identify bad actors. That's one of the reasons why we have a list now that it's 500 people on that list to keep them out. But what are further things that we're doing? Everything from when you come in the airport, now you have the iris scan. But we're going further than that. We're going to work with Customs and Border Protection with the U.S. and share their database so that we can actually prevent them from coming in before they get in. Work with U.S. Treasury to look at lists and know who are the right, if these people have sanctions against them or not. These are all ways to help enhance and prevent us from attracting the wrong kind of people into Palau that could create other problems. Because we know that when you have the online gaming or the online scam operations, somehow that's connected to bringing in drugs, human trafficking. And so we're fortunate that most of that, I wouldn't say we're 100% clean, but we believe that a majority of it, a vast majority, is gone. There may be some somewhere, and we're working with law enforcement to track them down. If we find them, they'll be out of here. But we continue to do our efforts to ensure that that is upheld. You know, I just want to share that many years ago, there was a Foreign Investment Act that was passed in Palau. And at the time, for the last 30 years, we've been told that that was too strict, too restrictive, slowing things down. It's interesting that now the reverse is maybe there's not enough in there to screen and know the right kinds of investment. So it's interesting how IMF, World Bank, oh, you should allow all kinds of investment. Well, we want all kinds of the right kind of investment. And when you're a small country, your jails can easily be overrun, your law enforcement can easily be overrun, so you need to be able to really protect your borders, and that really comes through partnership. So hopefully tomorrow is a great conference about sharing and about learning how to further attract the right investment and ensure that people that are here are secure and feel safe in what they're doing and what they're investing in.
Very quick follow-up. So I was just in YAP, and I spoke to some of the other people. Have any of the other countries in the region talked to Palau about learning from your example? And is that something that could be brought up maybe at the PIF?
Yeah, that's a good topic for the PIF. We do have the Pacific Policing Initiative, and maybe that needs to be enhanced and get broader, but that's one of the ways that we cooperate and we work together. I think the other thing that, at least in the North Pacific, we've talked about is having a national security coordinator in all countries. So I think Marshall Islands has already begun that process. FSM is thinking about it. Yeah. So hopefully we'll get to the stage where those offices are strengthened across the Pacific, so there is further collaboration and intelligence sharing. Because we find that the same criminals that are operating in Saipan are operating in Palau and operating in Fiji. So well, that's why sharing information and protecting our people is through collaboration. So thank you. Oh, yeah, and you know, I might add that we're grateful for the airlines because they really support in that first line of defense in ensuring that the wrong people don't get on the plane. Okay, well, thank you. Namada question. May 4 o'clock at 3:30, sorry. Allora, se dite un alle, you know, to bet el sils, ara to ladder below, di mal di imo al sagabelmente. So let's wish a very happy birthday to Michael Blessam. Nga gilong orar EQTV. Happy birthday. Daurang rawin silsil mori. Donit klangal tangat tel mori. No, I'm not I. Oh, I'm not all marigil. Oh, I haven't seen his retirement papers. Nga gila kuna se 65 abes retirement age mo takangan. Kita amal mereka sudah pekal other belau. Tong ngitra wil bodo ma klangal tangat. Mara pekal other belau ma bodo other blue belau. Ma 3 o'clock adlu tragasues. 3 dori. Sula.